guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel IOM. So this is Meenakshi and today I'm gonna tell you how I teach my 3-year-old son to speak English. So there are some tips which I'm gonna share with you today in this video. The first step, the word game. Now what is this word game? Okay, those who are having English speaking environment at home, there is no problem for them at all. But those who are not having English speaking environment at home, how their kids will learn this language? So being a parent, we have to do some efforts to make our kids speak English language fluently. So what kind of the efforts we can do? The first step is introduce each and every word in English only from the day your child started speaking his first word. Instead of say just introduce this as an apple, introduce the shape as an apple. Instead of mombatti, just introduce that mombatti as a candle. Believe me, pronouncing of mombatti for a child is equally difficult to pronounce as a candle. So if a child can pronounce mombatti, he
This.
can also easily pronounce candle. Just
This.
the thing is, we are doing
This.
We are telling the kids this is mombatti. No, just tell him directly this is candle. So you can watch this video. Like I told you, I always introduce every word to Ayush in English language only, as an English word. It doesn't mean he doesn't know its Hindi meaning, because as we can say, the child learns from the surrounding, and surround us, everyone speaking Hindi, so he can adapt this language from there also. So I have to focus on English language only, because I want to make my child to speak English from the early age.
Okay, so the next technique is act everything out. Anytime you teach something new to kids, you can do it in a physical way. For instance, if you are teaching your child a verb open and close, then you have to physically open and close. So Ayu, this is a box. Okay, open it, open. So this means open. Okay, now close it. Okay, so this is close. So look, so this is the way. Now the second thing, I'm giving the second task to Ayu. For this I have some paper rubbish and I have just spread it all over the floor. And now let's see what we are gonna do. There's a paper rubbish. Now Ayu has to pick this up. So today I'm gonna explain him what is pick this up, and while doing this activity he has to say pick this up. I am picking this up. You have to pick this up and you have to say it aloud. Pick this up. Say
up. I am picking this up. I am picking this up.
very nice. So the next sentence I want to teach my child is, okay, what is the meaning of throw in the dustbin? So you start, throw in the dustbin. Throw, bolo, loud.
I'm throwing in the dustbin. I'm throwing in the dustbin. I'm throwing rubbish in the dustbin.
Nice.
I'm putting on my socks. I putting on socks. I am putting on socks. May I take off this shirt?
Yes.
I'm taking off my shirt. I am taking off my shirt.
After introducing words in English, we have to teach simple English sentence to kids. Of course, for this, you have to talk with your kids in English language only. But beside that, what else you can do to teach the simple English sentence? What I do? Okay, I download some picture from the net, make a video with that picture and add my voice over a video. Picture showing a boy is picking something up, so I add my voice. Pick this up. Pick this up. Look in the picture, the boy is picking something up. So pick this up. There is a picture in which a boy is writing I am writing. I am writing ABC. I am writing. I am writing.
crying.
When the child
I
listens these
fell
things
down.
over and over, he
I
get
can't reach
habitual
out there.
to listen it and
I'm
can
laughing.
easily
May I take
use
my
that
toys?
kind of a sentence
I'm
when he
riding
needs
cycle.
to
I'm sitting
speak
down.
in the
I'm
different
sad.
situation.
I'm angry.
Yeah, I know it's difficult
I
to
am
download
writing
so many
ABC.
pictures from the
I'm
net
so
and then
hungry.
make a video
I am
to add
talking
all the
over
pictures to the
phone.
video and then
Don't
add your
run.
own
It's
voice. It's a
getting
long process.
dark.
So
I want milk. I'm
you
going
can
to
use our videos. We are having so many videos on our channel. So in which Ayu is doing that activity and also speaking what he is doing. So this video also helpful for the kids. We are also having the video in which I am talking in Hindi and the same thing Ayu is repeating in English. So this also help the kids to say the things how this thing we can say in English. Okay, so the next step is the English time role play activity. Kids learn better when they have fun. So basically I make sit Ayu for 10 to 15 minutes and just to make him perform, just make him act out some role play. So while this role play, so we come across so many words and the sentence. So through this English time role play activity, the child can learn so many words and the simple sentences. As we are not having the environment around us, the most of the people are not speaking in English language. That's why that kind of the English time role play activity is essential for the kids. And while doing this activity, out the dialogue and the sentence involved in the story to practice English. We are having the video regarding that also, in which Ayu is doing some kind of the role play, and you can see you can make your kids watch this video like let's go for a drive, in which the child will come across so many new words and the sentence which he also can use while speaking and while different situations. And birthday party role play activity, let's go for a drive role play activity, bucket and a chair role play activity. It's a simple activity. Yeah, it's simple because all the activities are filmed on the basis that a child is watching this, and a child is watching this. If a child watches this over and over, then he would know how, if he needs to say mama I need water, मुझे पानी चाहिए, so he can say I want water. Okay, if a kid want to say मैं लिख रहा हूँ, wait मैं लिख रहा हूँ, so wait mama I am writing. So simple. The last tip is, if you might have listened this over and over. I'm telling you this because it's very important. That's why everyone say the same thing. And I'm gonna also repeat the same thing. Can make your kids watch cartoon, movies and the other content English language as much as you can do. So now you can see I make watch Ayu the cartoon and the content in English, and while watching this he come across some sentence which he already know. So he say, while watching the movie he say loudly, mama look he's saying trust me, look mama he's saying I am hungry, look he's saying, look he's saying I'm